Hi, this is the Hammer Strength shoulder press machine. Kristen will demonstrate it. We'll also talk about seat and height adjustment for proper movement. As you can see, the seat is way too low. She's going to start way too high. She's not going to get maximum range of movement. We will demonstrate seat adjustment. Grab the seat. You'll have to tilt and raise. Same thing to lower, tilt, and it will drop. There are numbers here. We're going to start Kristen a little higher. We want to keep her from having her shoulders too far down in a lower range. As you can see, it's about shoulder press movement. She's about even, almost to the bottom of her ears. It's a good range. I'm going to have her stop at the top of her ears and not actually bottom out. We keep constant tension on the shoulders the whole time through the whole range of motion.